English, Grade 7, Unit 8. Welcome to our lesson, Health Problems. Learning objectives of our lesson are the following. Understand the detail of an argument on a growing range of familiar, general and curricular topics, including some extended texts. Use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a growing range of general topics and some curricular topics. Use speaking and listening skills to solve problems creatively and cooperatively. Assessment criteria of the lesson are the following. Identify the general idea of the talk about health problems. Figure out the content of a conversation with some support in an extended talk. Apply correctly models and active and passive, simple, present. Okay, at the previous lessons we have already spoken about health, made a list of health habits, and now I want you to make a synchrone to the word health. So look at the task, please. The first one here is the word health. The second, you have to write 2 adjectives concerning to the word health. The third line is 3 verbs also related to the word. The fourth one, you have to write a phrase or a sentence or maybe a proverb about health. And the last one is a noun which can be a synonym to this word. Okay, here you can see the example of the synchrone. So, health, good, poor, cure, treat, keep, health is above wealth, and the last synonym is the word wealth. Please write 2 examples of your synchrone in your workbook for the next time. Now I want you to watch to the video and find out words about health problems.
Health problems. What's the matter? I got my arm broken. Get one's arm broken. Get one's arm broken. Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I have a cold. 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 Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I have a headache. 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 Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I have a cough. 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 Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I cut myself. Cut. Cut. Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I have a fever. 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 Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I have a runny nose. Runny nose. Runny nose. Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I have a stomach ache. Stomach ache. Stomach ache. Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I had a toothache. 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 Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. What's the matter? I have a sore throat. Sore throat. Sore throat. Get some rest. I hope you get better soon. Review. Get one's arm broken. Cold. Headache. Cough. cunt, fever, runny nose, stomach ache, toothache, sore throat. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more funny videos. Thank you guys for watching us. Bye!
Of course, it's so sad to have health problems. Here we have a list of health problems that someone can have. So your task is to read and choose from this list problems mentioned in the video and write them in your workbooks. Let's check. Arm broken, have a cold, headache, cough, cut, fever, running nose, stomach ache, toothache, and sore throat. So let's pay attention to the next task. The task is to choose the right option. For example, at the first picture we can see three options: flu, measles, and broken arm. The right answer is flu. So let's do the task. Okay, let's check up. The first is flu, the second shivering, the third backache, the fourth fever, the fifth measles, the sixth heart attack, the seventh itch, eighth stomach ache, ninth swollen thumb, 10th asthma, 11th sore throat, 12th retching, 13th cold, 14th faint, 15th stuffy nose, 16th broken leg, 17th sneeze, 18th chickenpox, 19th cough, and 20th earache. We have learned a few words about health problems. I want you to write all the words in your vocabularies and translate them. And now please pay attention to your homework. Your homework is to write true sentence using should or shouldn't. Look at the first sentence, for example. She has flu. She should stay at home. So your task is to choose should or shouldn't. And the next is learn new vocabulary by heart. All the new vocabulary that we have learned during the lesson. Good luck. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.